Van, come on, dude. Oh, red wagon, huh? Mine don't need that, thankfully. They use it to play on. They jump on it. They don't ride in it. Hey, now chill. He's getting thick. They all are, for real. They're all getting real thick. The food they're on is really good. Bully Performance is what I'm using, and Origin's Whole Food Topper. It's been working very well. And the Bully Performance is a very high-fat food. It's actually a dog food, not a puppy food. But because it's such a high-fat content, it works great for pups. These guys look awesome. Yeah, what's up, buddy? I've had a lot of people interested in him. I really would like him to go to a show or potential breeder home. He's really nice. This girl too right here, she's very nice. This little boy's going to Minnesota. His bigger brother right there is available. That boy is currently available. And that's it for now, I think. 1, 2, down to 10 pups. They're not all over here. Missing 2. Not missing them, but yeah. They're out playing somewhere. It's really nice out right now, so they're out all the time, but the lighting's really good, so I actually get decent video. It doesn't always happen in the morning time and such, but it's good video time at the moment for these little guys. They're all getting huge, looking really nice. I think I'm gonna get his ears cropped. That's Van, he's staying here. She's staying here. And I think I'm gonna get his ears cropped too. That's Wish. That dude's looking awesome. Brother's right there. He's a little more compact. Like, I think Van's gonna be the bigger, but that's not necessarily true. But currently, in how they've grown, it looks like Van's gonna be bigger. But that little dude's really nice and compact. So, I'm hoping he goes to a potential show and breeder home. I've had several interested, like I said. If ears are done, if I get ears done, he's going to be probably $3,500. Currently, he's $3K for a show breeder. With ears done, yeah,